Today we talk about how can you add payout methods on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go down, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You will find here buyout methods. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Here can you select types of seller are you. If you want to add personal or business, I'm going to click here on personal here. And here you can you add your bank here and routing number, then account number. Click on continue here, then it's going to add with you on your SeatGeek app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.